Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the top 20 diabetes-fighting vegetables. These veggies are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help manage blood sugar levels. Whether you're diabetic or just looking to maintain a healthy diet, these vegetables are perfect for you. Let's get started. First segment, green leafy vegetables. 1. Spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of magnesium, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Low in calories and high in fiber, it's perfect for diabetes management. Incorporate it into salads, smoothies, or as a cooked side dish to benefit from its health properties. 2. Kale. Kale is rich in fiber and antioxidants, helping reduce blood glucose levels. It also provides essential nutrients like vitamin C and iron. Try it sautéed with garlic or as a crunchy addition to salads. 3. Swiss chard. Swiss chard contains syringic acid, which may help lower blood sugar levels. It's also packed with vitamins A and K. Enjoy it steamed or tossed in a stir-fry to keep your meals both colorful and healthy. Second segment, cruciferous vegetables. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a great source of sulforaphane, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help control blood sugar. It's versatile, so you can enjoy it steamed, roasted, or raw in salads. 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making it an excellent substitute for grains. Try cauliflower rice or mashed cauliflower for a healthy twist on traditional dishes. 6. Brussels sprouts. These little cabbages are high in fiber and antioxidants. They help stabilize blood sugar levels and support overall health. Roast them with a drizzle of olive oil for a delicious treat. Segment 3. Root vegetables. 7. Carrots. Carrots are low on the glycemic index, which means they have a more gradual effect on blood sugar levels. They are also high in beta-carotene, which is great for eye health. Enjoy them raw, steamed, or roasted. 8. Beets. Beets contain an antioxidant called alpha-lipoic acid, which can help lower glucose levels and increase insulin sensitivity. Roasted beets can be a sweet addition to any meal. 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a lower glycemic alternative to regular potatoes and are high in fiber, which helps control blood sugar. Try them baked or as sweet potato fries. Fourth segment, alliums. 10. Garlic. Garlic has potential benefits for blood sugar control, thanks to its natural compounds like allicin. It's easy to add to almost any dish for an extra flavor kick. 11. Onions. Rich in flavonoids and sulfur compounds, onions can help lower fasting blood sugar. Use them to add depth to soups, stews, and sautés. Fifth segment, more vital veggies. 12. Asparagus. Asparagus is particularly high in antioxidants, which can help combat diabetes. It's best enjoyed grilled or lightly steamed. 13. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are low in carbohydrates and high in hydration, making them ideal for maintaining blood sugar levels. Add them to salads or munch on cucumber slices as a refreshing snack. 14. Bell peppers. Available in various colors, bell peppers are low in calories and high in vitamins A and C. They're great in stir-fries or as a crunchy raw snack. 15. Zucchini. Zucchini is another low-carb vegetable, perfect for blood sugar control. It can be spiralized into noodles for a diabetic-friendly pasta replacement. 16. Tomatoes. Though technically a fruit, tomatoes are commonly considered a vegetable and are beneficial for heart health and blood sugar levels. Enjoy them fresh or cooked into sauces. 17. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is rich in potassium and has a low glycemic index, making it excellent for blood sugar management. Try it roasted or in a hearty soup. 18. Eggplant. With its high fiber and low carbohydrate content, eggplant is excellent for diabetes management. It absorbs flavors well, making it perfect for a variety of dishes. 19. Green beans. Green beans are fiber-rich and low in calories, helping you feel full and stabilize blood sugar levels. They're best enjoyed steamed or sautéed. 20. Mushrooms. Low in carbohydrates and rich in flavor, mushrooms can help manage blood glucose. They're great in stir-fries, soups, or as a meat substitute. Thanks for tuning in to learn about these 20 incredible diabetes-fighting vegetables. Remember, incorporating these into your diet can help you manage diabetes more effectively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy eating tips. See you in the next video. As a special bonus, we're offering a free ebook to help you manage your diabetes effectively. Click the link in the description to download your copy today.